What's up, everyone? Welcome to a new episode, First Time Recycling. Got myself Hero.
Got Alvin.
Got Alvin.
Superstars of the show.
Superstars of the show. So we're finally here on our episode of trying to figure out why his KS lever, KS dropper post, just auto drops while we're riding. So yes. We're going to take the lever apart from the post and see if it's dirty or gunky or anything like that. Clean it up, put it back together, and then have them sit on the bike and see if it sags anymore.
So as Hero's doing this here, we are just taking off the seat just so we can get to see the lever a little better. As you can kind of see right there. And Sean wants to take that off. Just take it off.
Taking it off.
Let's get rid of it. I don't want it. There we go. Boom. All out. No.
And what?
No.
Alright, that part. So now we have a clear view of the actuator. And you can see it's kind of dirty, so I have a strange suspicion that it might be just gunky in there. Hopefully. So it looks like an Allen here. Can't recall, don't see the size, but we got the right size here. I'm pretty sure. There. Well, that was loose. I don't know if that's supposed to be tight, but that was loose.
And remember, guys, it's our first time taking it apart. We didn't watch any videos on this, so we are just making it a guessing game right now.
Yeah, actually, the video that I did see is not for this type. It's for the one that's on Alvin Specialized, and they take apart this whole bottom end. They don't work on this one. So yeah, it is our first time, and no videos for this. So hopefully it works out. There's gunk on the lever itself that actuates onto the ball bearing there. There's dirt on there, so I'm just gonna clean that grime out. Maybe some brake clean or something. Something that, I think brake clean will work. We're just gonna clean all that gunk out of there and then put it back. So yeah, cool. All right, so that's clean. That's clean. That's clean right there. There's like an O-ring there too. Got it. So that's what it looks like on the inside. There's a spring there. And this thing's still dirty, look at that. So there's an O-ring here. And the lever.
Should we see if I have an O-ring that size?
The lever actuates it down and pushes on the spring. Like that.
Should I see if I have a O-ring?
I think the O-ring's fine. Yeah, but we can check, yeah. Now that's clean. Clean. Probably won't pick up in the GoPro, but there is a little nick here. I don't think it's too critical to replace this, but Alvin wants to, just in case. If we have an O-ring, might as well replace it. But if not, I think it's fine, because it's not like it's not like there's fluid coming out up from here and the O-ring needs to keep it down. I think it's just to keep dirt away from entering that spot right there where the spring is. So it's fine. There was no dirt on the spring, so I know this is still working fine. But yeah, if we can replace it, might as well do it. Let's see. Oh,
all right, guys, so I did pick this up off of Amazon. This wasn't actually for this project, but since there's like a little nick, it's really hard to see it on here.
I just talked about it.
Oh, okay. Yeah, so I know Hero just talked about it, but yeah, so we're gonna see if we can replace the O-ring with one of these guys. So we have these two to choose from, and we'll see how it looks. So O-ring replacement.
And got a little pick here. It's probably it's meant for automotive, but you know, it might work here. Or I might stab myself.
real scares me with sharp objects.
Yep. As you should be. There you go. See? Oh, whoa! That thing just shot.
Dang.
Well, we gotta replace it now for sure.
Lost it already.
It's gone
right
forever
in
now.
the dirt.
It's gone forever now.
It's funny. I was getting ready to ask you. Do you think we need to?
Found it.
What size is that one?
Amazingly, I found it.
Is that what's going on?
Boom! Brand new.
Is it actually?
It needs to be a little thicker.
Actually, looks like it actually sits over it though.
Yeah, it sits over it, but it just needs. You see how that little, like maybe a millimeter of gap.
Yeah, but I think that's okay. You guys can kind of see it there. It kind of sticks right over. Here I was worried about the little gap right in there, but I think that should be okay. So we'll try to put it back in. But yeah, look at that new O-ring on there.
So first, I'll spray this too.
What about that other? Oh, that's a screw.
It's the screw. Yeah, I'm gonna spray the screw too. Silicone lubricant.
Lubricants.
I know there's specific bicycle lubricants that we're supposed to be using, but you know, since we don't use it that often, I think silicone lubricant might be okay. All right, as you can see, the fastening screw is in, and now I just need to tighten it all the way. Oh,
Not even that heavy.
God.
No, feel these
Oh my God, it's gonna
both.
break my arm right now.
Feel these both.
Oh, jeez.
Feel these. There is.
Oh.
It's not even that heavy.
Oh,
Nutty, calm down.
They're like the same weight, huh?
Yeah, that's what I said. They're not that bad.
No, this thing's like 10 pounds. This thing's like
That
2.
is not 10 pounds. I guarantee you the foam and the steel that they used in this is a lot heavier than the plastic and the one-piece steel that they used in that.
Okay, check this out. I don't know if you guys ever seen Alvin show this off, but
Yeah, here.
got it. He has a trunk.
Yeah, and I figured best way to ride around on an e-bike is with something that has a little trunk in it. Now, yes, I know a lot of people say that you need a smaller seat if you're going to be tossing the bike around, but since I do have an e-bike and it's not really light enough to toss around, this seat I think is going to be amazing on there. So
It's his Cadillac.
yeah, it's my Cadillac of seats. And what size is this, Hero?
What?
The stripper post?
30.9.
30.9, so this fits in the NRS 3 bike here.
There's actually an insert for the NRS that makes it a 20,
Yeah.
29 something, whatever. But then you actually have to remove the insert. There,
Yeah.
this insert. All NRSs should have this. So yeah, once you take that out, you'll be able to fit a 30.9 dropper or seat post.
Yeah, and if you can't, you might have to spread the back portion of the bike open. There's like a little open notch
Yeah.
that you kind of see on this thing here on the back of the bike that goes down about an inch. So
So you want it as low as possible?
yeah,
Full slam?
full slam. Yeah, guys, this actually feels like my bike. Got my seat on there. All right, guys, so that ride was actually pretty good. He's all sweaty over here. I was just on cruise control with the
Throttle.
with the throttle. So the bike is, I definitely say, is feeling more like my bike. Especially putting the seat on, I was like, dang, I even got a little braver and tried to jump a curve and felt like I was gonna crash, because the moment I lifted the front, it felt like the rear wanted to just accelerate. And I was like, oh, wheelie time, holy crap. And so it was a little intense for a second, but
It's like a jump mode for the e-bike motor.
so it felt good. We'll put everything that we've done on this bike so far in the description, so if you guys want to take a look at the seat or the seat post, or even the Bafang motor, it'll be down in the description, so you guys can go and take a look at it. On the Bafang motor, I would definitely say use it on an aluminum or a steel bike.
Yeah.
Not
Not carbon fiber.
carbon fiber. just because we did notice that this kind of started moving around after we set up everything, and it kind of chewed up the aluminum just a little bit, but then we retightened it down and it's been fine ever since, so it felt really nice. Again, I will be pulling the tires off of the Specialized here, just because they're the Mountain King, so when we go mountain biking I want the kind of the best of the best there, and I'll probably maybe pull some other stuff off of here, but I do want to replace the Rock Shock shock here, so I can go with one that just has one chamber, so I can actually move the battery back a little more, so I can actually have it in there without having to zip tie. But right now it's actually been just fine the way we have it right now, but it does look good. I like the
eventually
look.
the front fork too.
Yeah, the front fork, yeah, the front fork is definitely,
and the brakes.
Yeah, no, Hiroki's wanting to do the brakes, but right now the brakes, for me, I feel like they're like, oh, it's fine.
Yeah, as long as you feel fine on it.
Yeah, it's yeah, it does take a little bit to stop at, from 30 above miles an hour to 0 is a little trickier, but anything under 25, it actually feels pretty good. But anyway, guys,
all right,
this bike is amazing.
Yeah, enjoy
it. Smash that like.
From behind, when I'm watching him, he looks like he's enjoying it, so I'm happy for him.
That's all you just hear me take off. Anyway, guys, again, smash that like if you love the video.
Yeah,
if you guys want to check out our channel, definitely go to the channel, check it out on First Time Recycling. We have everything categorized from maintenance videos, road biking, mountain biking, so we have that all set up there for you guys, and I know you guys will enjoy it. I know we haven't been mountain biking as crazy just because it's been too hot. Yeah, it's been, right today I think it's like 107 degrees.
Yeah, and we're just sitting here sweating.
We're in the shade, so it's hot. So anyway, guys,
all right,
peace.
Thanks for watching.
See you later.
Peace out.